Are you eating some? Are you good? Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, it's good spaghetti. Good spaghetti, huh? Yeah. Well, you like your spaghetti. Uh-oh. That's okay. Need some more? That's good. Going after, didn't she? Mm. Look at you. You got a whole cucumber. Did you dip it? No. Yeah. Okay.
Me.
Uh-oh. Did it fall off? Is it a good one? Oh yeah, you got lots of dip on it. That's good. If I were you, I'd eat it now. That little tomato's good. Little yellow tomato is really yummy. You might like that. Do you see it? You see the little yellow tomato?
That's it.
Mm-hmm. It's really good. It's yum yum.
Uh-oh.
Oops. Good stuff, huh?
She needs something in her lap.
You need something in your lap? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you do, don't you? Wipe you down. Okay, now let's put this on your lap so you won't get spaghetti on your jammies, okay? Right there. That's a good idea. Yeah. Is that good? Would you like a little more cheese? Would you like to care for a little more cheese? Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, Papa too? Okay. Yeah. Good, huh? Mm-hmm.
Can you eat a meatball?
Uh-oh.
Did some fall on your lap? That's okay. No, just hold it like that. Oops, sorry. Pick it up. Right there. It's okay if it goes on the towel. It's caught. Ooh, what's it stuck on? What's it stuck on down there, huh? There.